So there must have been a little crack in the door or a little split, or maybe I bumped it. I'm not really sure, but let's fix this, yeah?
Hello, I'm Ramon Valdez. Welcome to my channel. I build beautiful furniture. I show unique processes and techniques. I also share tons of tips and tricks along the way. So if you haven't already subscribed, do me a huge favor. Smash that subscribe button, yeah? Let's get started.
All right, so the repair in this particular case will be a rabbet, a partial rabbet. I'm using this bearing to create about a 3/16 rabbet, which is just slightly more than this little tear out. All right, so let's plug this router in and give this a go. All right, so that board with that groove or dado, that's just a place for the bearing to start. You don't really need it, but it just makes it a little bit easier. And you can see I'm doing backwards cuts just to minimize tear out, right? Climb cuts, backwards cuts. And then to the right of the screen, you can see that piece of plywood, and that's just to serve as a stop so that I can exit cleanly. And to clarify, that little board with the dado is merely just a scrap. All right, there's a nice clean rabbet or rebate, about 2 inches or 50 millimeters long. And then here I just took a board, clean and jointed, and ripped it, right? And I'll just sand that radius to fit. All right, so just one little touch up and I know it's gonna fit. Then it's just a matter of cutting it to length, close, adding some glue and pulling it tight with some tape. Yeah? All right, you may not be able to see in the video, but I write on the tape time that I finished clamping that or taping that. It's just a habit I have. So I know that this has been sitting for a little over an hour. The tape or the glue is still a little bit wet underneath the tape, but I know that the glue is plenty cured where the wood meets wood. Nothing too tricky here, just planing that flush. And I'm going kind of slow just to show you the process, but normally I just grab a plane and grind it down, get it nice and flush. It's super easy to do with a plane because you can't really go too far. You'll feel when you've bottomed out. Okay, one more. Okay, and now to get the back face flush, same process, right? And this is a panel. This is actually the inside. It won't even show. I just wanted to repair that little tear out just to show you and make this video. And I love that little Veritas low angle block plane. Works fantastically well. There you can see it. Even though that's not going to show, it's still a pretty good seam, especially on the face. There's another angle. And here it is after it's been sanded on the edge and the face. You can see it's still sticking out slightly right there, but that'll be easy to get flush with a hand plane, right? Anyway, super easy repair. Thanks a ton for watching. Enjoy a spectacular day.